Hi. So today I'm really sad because one of my pet budgie is very sick, and I think he's not going to live for a long time. We have done everything we could uh, to, save him and make him feel better. But I think we need to, you know, we need to learn to accept the situation and just go with the flow. Because no matter how hard we try sometimes, some things are just not in our hands. And no matter how hard we struggle and fight some situation or anything, which we don't like and we want to change, no matter how hard we struggle and fight, what is meant to be will be. What will be will be. So we just need to accept things as they are and just go with the flow. It's very hard, it's very tragic when your pets die in front of you like this. But I think we need to accept. Acceptance is the key. Acceptance is the key in getting along or facing any kind of tragedy or grief in your life. Because when you don't accept, you suffer. And when you accept, you don't seem to suffer that much because you have accepted things as they are. When we go against the flow, our struggle seems to get worse, but when we go with the flow, it's not that hard. I know that it hurts. It really hurts. Some things in life really hurts. Some things in life really hurt a lot. But acceptance is the key. And I'm trying to accept the fact that nobody is immortal here. Everyone, no matter how rich they are, no matter how poor they are or rich they are, they will die someday. We are living in a mortal world and everyone is going to die someday. It's tragic, but this is the truth and we need to accept this. So thank you for watching this video and please pray for my dear budgie. Thank you.